The process has commenced in 2 administrative cases against Police Major Alan De Castro, the primary suspect in the disappearance of Miss Grand Philippines 2023 candidate Catherine Camilon. According to Internal Affairs Service Inspector General Attorney Alfigar Triambulo, the first case involves conduct unbecoming of a police officer due to De Castro's alleged involvement in a relationship with another woman despite being married. Triambulo notes that this case is now in summary dismissal proceedings and they intend to conclude the hearings by the end of the month.
Doon sa mga impormasyon o mga nakalap na mga ebidensya, medyo mabigat po yung kanyang hinaharap na mga asunto. Kaya posible siya na ma-dismiss sa trabaho kung mapatunayan na itong offense. Kaya nga kami ay nag-charge din ng conduct unbecoming kasi yun po yung talagang tinitingnan din namin dahil ang mandato ng IAS ay talagang to champion the integrity of the police service. Pinoprotektahan namin yung imahen ng PNP.
Moving on to the second case, Attorney Triambulo states that it pertains to kidnapping and serious illegal detention concerning De Castro's alleged involvement in the disappearance of beauty queen Catherine Camilon.
Yung sa kidnapping and serious illegal detention, siya po ay binigyan ng notice para mag-file ng kanyang counter affidavit. No? So, at ang time frame namin dyan ay 7 days i-resolve namin ang pre-charge at isasampa na rin namin for summary dismissal proceedings.
This case is currently under pre-charge investigation, allowing De Castro an opportunity to submit his counter affidavit. Attorney Triambulo emphasizes that if found guilty, De Castro could potentially be dismissed from service, losing associated benefits.
Ayon po sa NAPOLCOM circular na aming sinusundan sa pag-dispose o adjudicate ng administrative case laban sa PNP personnel. Una-una yung mga sa matatanggap mong retirement, forfeited po yon. Ngayon, forfeited na po yung kanyang mga automatic cancellation, yung mga eligibility niya para maging police pa rin siya. At mayroon pang kaakibat na penalty, yung tatawag nating accessory, na dahil napatunayan na siya ay unfit sa public service, siya po ay barred from entering any offices or work ng government.